Hello everybody. On the last video that we did about the pop-up login box, we got a new question there about the way that it looks and how we can control the following. Some people wanted the pop-up to only show the member login, others wanted the register new account to show. So because of the widget where this is stored, this is a delicate widget, so we can't. I don't want to be editing this, so you guys have issues later in the future. Okay, we're trying to future-proof the site too. So to make sure that we don't edit this widget, what we did, and I'm gonna leave the code on the Facebook group. We added this code here. Okay. The only thing that it does is the following. It gives you the opportunity to, instead of editing the widget, you control how the pop-up box behaves depending on the link that somebody clicked on. Okay, so you see this one here that says register now. You see the other one that says login now. Let me show you how this works. You only paste this code here after obviously after you've done the other video about the pop-up. So you paste this code here, and then the only thing that you need to do is go to one of those links that you want to control. So here we got on the top header menu, we got the member login. Again, it's this one here, member login. It shows this too. And then you say, well, for the cases where you only want to show the register now, you click on settings, menu item, CSS class, and you type there register now, capital letter now. And you save it. That's all. That's it. That's all that you needed. So I'm trying to feature proof it and make it super easy for you guys to actually be able to do this. So now if I click on member login, I get only the create new account. Now, if I want the thing to actually show the login box, we do this, login now. You save it, we refresh, click there, look at that baby. That's it. That's all you need to do. Copy the code, put it there. Thanks to Lee for the opportunity to be able to do this. I'll put it back like it was there, and now he can control this here. You only need to put that code in whichever links you want to behave like that. Like if I click here on the login, or maybe this one is the register now and this one's the login. However you want to control it. Okay, but it's the same behavior. You only put the on the settings, you only put that there, and you're done. Hope that helps. Big hugs to everybody as always, and think positive.